Today we're going to go over the symptoms of a myocardial infarction, also known as a heart attack. So let's jump right in. A heart attack occurs when the flow of blood to the heart is blocked or reduced. But symptoms can differ depending on gender and age. So in this video, we'll cover the symptoms of a heart attack seen in men, women, and older adults. Men experiencing a heart attack may have sudden severe chest pain, especially under the sternum of the chest. Some individuals say that this pain feels like a tight band around the chest. Others describe this chest pain as an elephant on the chest. Though women can experience this pain too, this symptom is more commonly displayed in men. Women typically display more vague symptoms when experiencing a heart attack, such as fatigue, abdominal pain, and shortness of breath. Symptoms of a myocardial infarction can also be hard to recognize in older adults. These symptoms include dyspnea, also known as trouble breathing, confusion, change in level of cognition, nausea, epigastric distress, heartburn, or indigestion. Many older adults are not even aware that they've had a heart attack until an EKG detects it months or even years later. Other common symptoms of a heart attack, regardless of age or gender, include pale skin, diaphoresis, also known as excessive sweating, nausea and vomiting. The person experiencing myocardial infarction may also have a low blood pressure, and their pulse may become rapid, weak, or irregular. Their respiratory rate may increase. They may also become faint or dizzy. Signs of left-sided heart failure such as coughing, cyanosis, and dyspnea may also manifest if the left ventricle is pumping with difficulty. Also, keep in mind that cyanosis may manifest in your darker skin patients as purpling of the mucous membranes. Alright everyone, I hope that this video was helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to visit nursingtonurture.com for promo codes, merch, as well as more educational content. Remember to never give up, and as always, thanks for watching.